Submitting documents to YouTube for account approval is an important process for creators looking to monetize their content. Follow these steps to ensure smooth submission. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Gather all necessary documents that YouTube requires for account verification. This may include identification, tax information, and any other relevant materials. Step 2. Log into your YouTube account. Access your YouTube account by visiting the YouTube website or app. Ensure you are logged in with the account you wish to verify. Step 3. Navigate to the monetization section. Go to the YouTube Studio and find the monetization tab in the left-hand menu. Click on it to access the monetization options and requirements. Step 4. Follow the submission instructions. Locate the section for document submission. YouTube will provide specific instructions on how to upload your documents. Follow these carefully to ensure your documents are submitted correctly. Step 5. Confirm submission and wait for approval. After uploading your documents, confirm that the submission was successful. You will receive a notification regarding the status of your account approval, which may take some time. By following these steps, you can successfully submit your documents for YouTube account approval. Good luck with your content creation journey.